How to mask text in emails in PowerPoint. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, I will add a picture from my device in this PowerPoint. To do so, simply go to Insert, Image, then go to Upload from Computer. You can also do it from your web. Now simply add any kind of image. Now in order to add text in it, what you will have to do is go to Insert again, go to Text Box, and right over here create a text box and then enter it. So now as you can see, you have masked text in your image. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.